You got her fellas, Parrot Dog Hazy IPA, Keith, 6.0 alcohol per volume, 440. They reckon nice. Keith, Hazy IPA brewed with American hops, malts, Mara soda, oats, wheat, light crystal, hops, Citra, Mosaic and Amarillo, yeast, East Coast Ale, artist Robbie Simon. Keep it cool, drink it fresh, made in New Zealand. Parrot Dog boys, thank you. Let's give this a crack. Nice looking can. Yeah, this is right out there, like New Zealand people are. Pretty crazy sort of bunch of people. They have funny shows on TV too. Was it Paranormal in Wellington or something? That's really weird. Anyway, cheers everyone. Look, it's another fruit shake like I had and said the other day. The Hazy IPA sort of got a bit of a following. I reckon it's I don't know, I reckon it's the cheap way to get a lot of flavour and alcohol without actually filtering it and making it really yummy. Like this is good, but I couldn't drink that like in the middle of winter having, you know, like, I don't know, hamburger or something. It just wouldn't go together. Yeah, I've done a few hot hazy IPAs. I'm not sold 100%. I don't mind them, but I just think I won't be buying anymore. Go back to the normal IPAs and double IPAs and porters, imperial porters and stuff, maple, bourbon, all the beauties, the top good gear. Cheers everyone. I had to buy it because it's got my middle name on there. Hazy IPA Keith. That's probably, instead of calling me Trevor, just call me Crazy Keith. Hazy, fantastic. Alright, I don't know. Bit spun out today. We're running around like a hairy ass goat and not getting nothing done. I bought a new whippersnipper. No, not a whippersnipper. I bought a new blower vacuum today. It's about time to go and give it a run. Alright, I'll leave you to it. Cheers everyone.